Welcome to Freo Group. My name is Tony Cansey and I'm the company's CEO. Freo is located in 14 depots strategically positioned around Australia. Freo has been in business for approximately 42 years, servicing the mining and building industry. Freo is specialised within our industry via our in-house engineering department, our in-house safety, our in-house workshop with our field service mechanics, purpose-built maintenance facilities, online, hands-on management that's in-field, on-site whilst the jobs are occurring. Our primary goal is to be the safest and best in everything that we do. What distinguishes us from our competition is our large fleet, our diverse range, our extensive experience, and with contracts and branches across all of Australia. I would characterise our level of customer service via being highly responsive, safe, and attentive to our customers' needs. If you're considering using Freo Group on one of your jobs, what you can expect to get from us is that your job will be finished on time and on budget, and the people coming to your job are highly trained and competent people.